Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to cook goat meat Pakistani style. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here 1 kilo of goat meat cut in small pieces with bones, 2 medium onions cut in julienne, 2 medium tomato cut in small pieces, a half cup of plain natural yogurt, 2 cinnamon stick, 2 or 3 bay leaves, some cardamom and some cloves, 1 spoon of ground coriander, 1 spoon of cumin, 1 spoon of sweet paprika, and half spoon of curcuma, 3 minced garlic cloves, and some minced green ginger, a little bit of green coriander, some salt, 2 spoons of vegetable oil, and finally half cup of cold water. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our meal. In a pot over the stove, put some vegetable oil, leave it for 2 minutes. Then add the hard spices, the cinnamon stick, the bay leaves, the cardamom, and the cloves. Mix it a little bit, then add over it the onion. Leave the onion cooking until it starts change its color. Then add over it the garlic and the ginger. Mix it together for around 2 minutes, then add the ground spices. Stir all together for around 1 minute. Then add a half cup of cold water. Leave it for 1 minute, then add the tomato. Cook the tomato for around 2 minutes. Then add the meat over it. Stir the meat with the mixture for around 1 minute. Then add the salt over it. And leave it cooking for around 20 minutes. Don't forget to keep stirring all together. After 20 minutes, add the yogurt, mix it together for around 10 more minutes, and then add 1 liter of hot water. Cover the pot and leave it cooking over medium heat for around 1 hour or so until the meat well done. And this is our meat after we cooked it. Add over it the green coriander, mix it up and take it down. You can eat it with white rice or pita bread or any way you like. Today I'm gonna eat it with rice. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.